In this tutorial, you'll learn how to build your first AI phone agent in SalesCaptain. Let's dive in. Let's build your first agent. Head over to the AI Agents dashboard, click on Manage Agent, and select the text box under Chat Setup. Based on your industry, you can pick a pre-built AI agent from the options below. But here we'll type in a custom prompt. I want an AI agent that can handle after-hours calls and messages and respond accurately to business queries. You can also add third-party integrations to trigger actions across platforms and feed data into the knowledge base. Click the plus icon next to Knowledge and upload your CSV file titled SalesCaptain Knowledge Base. Now click Start, and you'll land in the builder where you can watch your agent being generated in real time. Once it's done, you'll see a confirmation message with your agent's name pop up in the Chat Builder panel on the left. Next, select which users will receive escalation emails for situations where the agent needs a human to step in. This is disabled by default, so we'll enable it and choose Rosalia Hamilton from the drop-down. And just like that, you've created your first AI agent. You can practice talking to it via voice and text on the right side, or enter prompts to fine-tune it in the Chat Builder on the left. So go ahead and click Talk to your agent to try it out. To adjust your AI voice agent, simply type your instructions into the Chat Builder. Here we'll type, make the tone more friendly and cheerful, and watch it update. Open the settings drop-down in the top right to choose a preset voice and select your AI model. We'll go with Coral F for the voice and GPT 5.2 for the model. Once you're happy with your agent, click Connect Agent to Phone to pull up the configuration pop-up. Choose SalesCaptain Call Flow Setup as your setup type, select your number, and press Connect Agent. Just make sure that number doesn't have any existing call flows. You'll be redirected to the Call Flow Editor where you can build out your incoming call flow. Here we'll simply drag and drop an Assign To element below the AI agent and select a team or member. Hit Save and head back to the Call Flows Overview page. You'll see your new active call flow with your AI agent fully deployed and ready to take calls. And that's it! Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.